Welcome back to my channel. Today we're gonna make Play-Doh. Don't forget to click the like and subscribe button. First step you do is put the flour and the salt. The flour is kind of heavy. And don't forget to put 2 scoops of flour. Now the salt taking over. And then you mix. Very good. And then you put the water. But before you put the water, you make a little hole. Okay? And then you put the oil. And then once you put the oil, you put the fruit coloring. Did I put so much? Too much? Look. Did I make an accident? And I'm gonna mix it with my hand. Gonna probably feel funny. It feels very funny. It's sticking to my hand. I just have to mix it really good. I'm gonna clear off a little because it's not getting mixed very good. Did you notice I have pink Play-Doh now? Once you mix it very good, you put it on the table and then you knead it. Now I'm gonna roll it so it's more flatter. So the cookie cutters, which is not cookie cutter, I just call it cookie cutter for a reason. Look at them. I'm gonna put it in my Play-Doh. I rolled all of this. Now I'm gonna put the kitty in. Now I have to lift this. Okay, I'm gonna do the star. See, I have a pink star now. Twinkle, twinkle, little star. I'm gonna make more stars. Okay. Look, I made 2 stars. Now, I'm gonna make a crocodile. Or whatever this is. I'm gonna make it pink. Okay, now I'm gonna take it out. And though I got it, whatever this is, it looks like a crocodile for me. I'm gonna make a cat. You see, it looks like a cat, and it is a cat. I have to push it really good. Thank you for watching my video. Don't forget to click the like and subscribe button. Bye. Bună Nati.